start, they go for the orange balls, and Hellas is first. Hellas takes second. Oh, man, what a problem by Hellas.
30 seconds.
First 30 seconds before the first zero.
9, 8, 7, 6.
And there comes some balls, so the game is on again. 2 balls to the side. On the other side, on the big side. 1 ball. And there goes the last.
9.
Oh, and then the game is on again. If all the balls are on the one side, you start counting 10 seconds. But
1 minute.
1 minute left. 1 minute left. Will determine the future of these two teams. 1 minute. And the game looks very growish at the moment. Very growish. That's what they say in Cape Town, it's a grow. It looks growish. 4 balls in the purple, 4 balls in the purple, and it's a grow to me. And now they're waiting for their balls. They're not waiting. Oh man. These are the 2 best robots here today. In the final. And they're looking at each other, these robots. And they're waiting. There's 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then they go, ladies and gentlemen. And they are looking for the purple balls. And they got the purple balls out of the way. Now it is a class for the orange balls. They look. And there they come. They're making their move. Oh yes, this game is now grows. 4 orange balls. And the Hellas is taking the lead. 3, 5. And and Hellas is taking the lead.
30 seconds.
30 seconds is gone, ladies and gentlemen. We have a game. The warming up is finished, and now these robots are going to shoot balls. Orange balls. So I see here like Taiwan side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 balls. That means it's growing. 5 balls. Hellas is winning. Hellas is in the lead at this moment. And then
1 minute.
1 minute left, and Taiwan is leading here with 1 goal. Okay, Hellas is leading once again. It's up and down. Anyone can win here today. Really, the players of the Titans, and here comes Taiwan. And Taiwan took 2 balls, 3 balls for Taiwan. And now they're waiting. And they're waiting. And I think they're waiting for the last.
30 seconds.
And it's all the balls to the side? No! Hey, this is almost a clear there. 30 seconds left. Let's see what's going to happen. This game at the moment is... Anybody's game. 10 seconds left. 9,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop the robots. Let's see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last game here. 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes for 2024 here in İzmir. And they both got the purple ball. I'm so yes, I can see purple balls. The purple balls are packed away safely. Now it depends on the orange balls. And Hellas makes the first move. Let's track the first. And here comes Taiwan. And 30 seconds.
9, 8.
Okay, we have a game. It was really the zero of the 30 seconds. And these robots are watching each other. I know they are nervous, but so brave. Brave robots. And Hellas is taking the lead. Oh yes, that looks like that's an equalizer. And then Taiwan is taking the lead.
1 minute.
And 1 minute left, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute. It looks like Hellas is in front now. Hellas is in front with 2 orange balls left. with one orange ball left. One orange ball left. We have 20 chances here. We're not going to make a mistake. And there we go. 20.
30 seconds.
30 seconds left. There's only one orange ball on the side of Elas at the moment. They are winning. At the moment they are winning. If they can get that orange ball and it looks like they're going to get it, no. They're waiting for the last 3 seconds. 10 seconds. Wait for it. Wait for it. And then they start shooting the balls.
The first place in RoboSports goes to OFDL GHR Taiwan, Chinese Taipei.
Very big congratulations for OFDL GHR Taiwan from China's Taipei. Welcome! Well, now we can applaud all the winners of RoboSports. Very big congratulations. Thank you very much for your contributions to this wonderful competition, to this wonderful Olympiad. These are RoboSport winners. Thank you very much to all of our judges from Turkey.